In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude with HubSpot. To get started, open Claude in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside, the setup is straightforward, and the goal here is to connect Claude to HubSpot so you can search, review, and in some cases even update CRM data using natural language. After signing in, go to the settings area. You can do that by clicking your profile icon, then selecting settings. Inside settings, look for the connectors section and open it. This is where Claude lets you link external tools and platforms, including HubSpot. Next, add the HubSpot connector. Click Browse Connectors, find HubSpot in the list and select it. Then choose Add to your team. Once that's done, go back to the Connectors page, and next to HubSpot, click Connect. This begins the actual account linking process. You'll now be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account. After logging in, take a moment to review the permissions being requested. This part matters because it tells you what Claude will be allowed to access or do inside HubSpot. If everything looks correct, click Connect App to authorize the integration. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to use HubSpot inside Claude. Start a new conversation in Claude, then click Search and Tools. From there, turn on the HubSpot connector. This step is important because it enables Claude to use HubSpot data within that specific chat. Now you can begin asking Claude questions about your CRM in plain English. For example, you might ask it to show your open deals, closing this month, summarize recent customer interactions, list contacts that haven't been contacted in the last 30 days, or analyze your sales pipeline. The main advantage here is that you don't need to manually dig through records if a simple prompt can get you the information faster. If your HubSpot connector includes right permissions, you can go a step further and ask Claude to create or update records such as contacts, deals, tasks, or notes. When you do, Claude will typically show you the proposed changes first. Be sure to review them carefully, and then approve the action when Claude asks for confirmation. After that, Claude will confirm when the task is complete. As a good final check, open the updated record directly in HubSpot to verify that everything looks right. That's especially useful when you're working with important CRM data and want to make sure every update was applied as expected. And that's how to use Claude with HubSpot.